Hi guys, welcome to the Meet Trader. So let's jump right into it. To get started, navigate to tdameritrade.com and click Tools and Platform. On the left-hand side, under Trading Tools and Platform, click the link for thinkorswim trading platform. If you have already opened an account with TD Ameritrade, you are registered for Pepper Money. In that case, scroll down and on the right-hand side, click on the link for download now. To log in thinkorswim, double-click on the icon on your desktop, enter your username and password, select Pepper Money, and click Login. Let's get started. Starting at the top of the platform, we have a connected status. So our platform is connected to the internet. We have delayed data. If we click that, you will see that all the products have delayed 20-minute quotes. In order to get live quotes on your Pepper Money platform, you must have a live funded account with TD Ameritrade. Otherwise, you will have delayed 20-minute quotes. And here we have our date and time, and then we have the account selector. If we click that, you will notice that you have two accounts within your Pepper Money account. One, a practice margin account, and the second, a practice IRA. To select which account you want to work in, just select the account and your account info will be adjusted accordingly. And with each Pepper Money, you get $100,000 of Pepper Money to work with. Now, how can we adjust our cash balances? Simple. From our monitor tab, activities and position sub-tab, there's a button over here that says adjust cash. Click that, and in the select account cash to field, we are going to click the drop down, and you can select a predetermined amount. Now, if we want to put in a specific cash amount, we are going to put a mouse in this field, and we're going to delete that. And let's say we're going to, want $10,000. And click apply. Now you can see we have a $10,000 starting balance. And to go back to the $100,000 account, we just do the same thing and choose $100,000 from the drop down, and our account is back to $100,000 again. Okay, let's start showing you some of the options functionality within thinkorswim. To start, I'm going to go to the Trade tab at the top and the All Products sub-tab. First, we're going to need to type in a symbol. For example, I'm going to use, let's use Tesla. Let's close our sidebar here. Now, starting at the top of the underlying section is all the information for Tesla stock for the current trading day. And below that, you'll see the option chain. Now you immediately see two different colors of options. You have the yellow and the white. The white denotes that this is an expiration series that is a standard monthly expiration, meaning that the last trading day of these options would be the third Friday of the month, whereas the yellow denotes a non-standard option expiration. Now, moving from left to right, we have the last trading day of the expiration series. In this case, September 29th would be the last trading day for this series of weekly options. And if you go down, the same thing, November 17th would be the last trading day of these options. And if you go further, we see options going out to 2024 and 2025. And to the right, we have a number in parentheses. This is how many days are left until the last trading day of the options expiration series. And then to the right of that, we have the shares per contract multiplier. Over to the right, we have the implied volatility numbers. And what this is showing is the implied volatility percentage for the individual option series. So for example, let's go out to November monthly here. 66 days from now, the options are implying a 54% volatility rate, meaning the stock could go up or down, move up or down $50.58 between now and the expiration. And these numbers constantly adjust as the option prices changes with it. Now let's jump into one of these options and take a look at what an option chain looks like. I'm going to open up the November monthlies. And you can see here that by default, you will see 8 strikes prices listed. We can change this by clicking the drop down menu at the top. We can go from 4 to a predetermined amount, or we can just type in a specific number. Let's type in 18. And now we are displaying 18 strikes for the November monthly expiration series. Now, from left to right, we have the calls on the left and puts on the right. And right down the middle, we have the strike prices listed in ascending order, along with the expiration series. The purple highlights denotes that these are in the money options, and the black denotes that these are out of the money options. The black denotes out of the money options. So in the money calls, in the money puts, out of the money calls, out of the money puts. All right, so to queue up an order to buy an options or sell an option is very simple. Anywhere you see the ask price, this is where you can queue up an order to buy the option. And if you see the bid price, that's where we can click to queue up a sell order. For example, let's buy the 280 call in Tesla. Right now, it's trading at $9.50. I'm going to click that with my mouse, and now we have an order bar at the bottom of the screen. Now, by default in thinkorswim, sometimes the order defaults to 1 or 10 contracts. But if you want to change that lower number, it's simple. Just delete that. And up at the top right corner, there's a setup button. Select application settings, and then under order defaults, choose options. And by default, the quantity, you can change the quantity, let's say from 1 to 10 or another number you want, and click apply. So let's review this option. Now you can see the number down there has changed. So let's review this order going from going from left to right. We're doing a single options. We are buying. We're doing 1 contract. We can change this number by clicking the plus or minus, or we could just type in a specific number and hit enter on our keyboard. Either way, we can adjust to quantity that way. We have the symbol, which is Tesla. We have the expiration series, which is November 17th, and the 280 call. Now, over to the right, we have a price field, an order type, and the time in fourth column. Now, with the limit orders, you need to select your price. To do that, we can once again use the plus or minus buttons as we did in the order quantity, or we can type a specific price amount, hit enter on our keyboard, and that will determine the price that you are putting the limit order in at. Over on the right, we have the time in fourth column. Now, the difference here is the day order stands for an order that will work for today's trading day. And if you want your order to work for longer than today, meaning if we didn't get filled at the specific limit order today, but we wanted this order to work for more than 1 trading session, we're going to change that from day to good till cancel. And once you're ready, hit confirm and send. And here's the order confirmation dialog. This is the last chance to review the order description, all the pertinent details of the position that you're putting on. Last thing, check to make sure that it's the correct account that you place in your trade. And then once you're ready, hit send. Order sent. Now to review this order, we can go to the monitor tab here at the top. Oops, looks like we just got filled. So under activities and positions, you will see today's trade activities. This is where you'll see your working order, filled order, and canceled order for the current trading day. So to make this video short, I will stop here, but watch out for part 2 continuation, where I'll be showing you how to cancel and replace an order in case you made a mistake, and also how to place orders using more advanced strategies like the vertical debit or credit spread. And here is our filled order. We have the single spread, the buy order is Tesla, and it's the 280 call. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. Hope this video was helpful to you in some way. And until next time, bye-bye.